Alright, so we're joined with the head coach of the under-17 national team of Trinidad and Tobago, Mr. Sean Cooper. Firstly, coach, your thoughts of the performance of your unit today?
Very gritty. We came yesterday and we saw the under-15s and we thought they were very good. We played a 20-minute game with them and we actually lost 2-1. We scored our own goal and then they went 2-1 up and then we came back, right? So some of the guys after said they were very nervous, because this, as you all know, is only about 3 guys who were from the last under-15. So we brought another group here which we thought would have been good for them for their development. So come CONCACAF 2025, we'll have a larger pool to pull from. So this is a very, very inexperienced group. Some of them first time traveling, so I'm very, very much proud of them.
Yeah, and coach, just your reaction really to seeing what's happening with FIFA expanding the World Cup and your thoughts, more spots for CONCACAF as well, your thoughts generally, more spots for CONCACAF for the next under-17 World Cup.
Well, definitely once we have more spots, it's always good for the Caribbean also, not only CONCACAF but for the Caribbean, so we could get more teams from the English-speaking Caribbean in there. We find when it is expanded, the Spanish-speaking teams, they even get the calls, when we play. So it's nice to see that they have opened it up and giving the smaller countries a chance to get through.
Any other questions?
Coach, you've been a youth coach in Trinidad for quite a while now.
Quite a while.
Have you seen a significant improvement to when you had just started?
Well, yes, in terms of the coaching education. The TD, Mr. Cornell, have been doing a wonderful job in terms of educating the coaches. So what you find in the colleges league, we have probably the more qualified coaches in the colleges league. So it only augurs well in terms of that. But in saying so, the talent I'm seeing here in Jamaica, wow. You guys are doing a fantastic job also. So the MO we have between Trinidad and with these games, we were really supposed to go to Orlando, and you all had this camp set already. So our tour was pushed back, and then they decided to send us here, and we are very glad because the 2 games we got so far very competitive. And it will only do augurs well for the boys in their development. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Sorry to interrupt. I know you mentioned gritty at the start of the analysis, but 89 minutes, Jamaica, the lion's share of goal scoring opportunities, 98-minute winner. I mean, how pleasing was that for you to see that your team just grinded out there?
Well, I don't know what game you are looking at, because when you say goal scoring opportunities, I was seeing a team having possession of the ball in front of us. Mm-hmm. In football, the most dangerous space is at the side and at the back. Mm-hmm. We nullified that. So they started playing long balls, took away the passing game, and they started playing long balls to try to penetrate. Mm-hmm. I can't remember our keeper pulling off any spectacular saves, so I don't know. Probably is the next game you are speaking about.
There are 3 clear chances that I have in the book, but I can show you.
Okay, right. So you got one which was a questionable one for offside.
Yeah.
When
and
the guy played
16.
it. Yeah. So that was questionable.
Okay.
Right. But other than that, I have seen that you guys have brought in about 8. I checked about 8 foreign-based players. Remember what I'm saying. This squad here we have brought here is a squad with some of them no international experience, mm-hmm. not even traveling, not even playing games at this level. Mm-hmm. So when you look at the exposure that the both teams have, it's chalk and cheese. So this game here, you have to find a way to win. And sometimes you suck the pressure in, mm-hmm. and then you go on the counter, because what happens is that after a while, they will come to you and they will get complacent, and all you need is one chance. And that's all we got, one chance, and you take it. You know that tune? Give me one more chance. And we took that chance.
Well said.
All right? Thank you very much.
Any other questions? Thank you, coach.
Okay.
Pleasure, coach.